Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to do manual gradings. And manual cosmetic gradings are awesome because they allow you to make a cosmetic grading of iPhones that do not work. So either it's a grade D, it's a grade DOA, grade E, it's an iCloud. You cannot install the app, you have severe usability issues, it just doesn't turn on, whatever. But you can also use it to make cosmetic gradings of Samsung devices, other Samsung device or other Android devices, iPads, whatever, as long as you have a serial or an IMEI, or even if it's DOA and you use phones.trade, we will give you a DOA number and that will allow you to link a manual grading to a DOA device, okay? And this is particularly interesting because we all know that an iCloud account is not the same as another phone with an iCloud account. And one grade E and another grade E can be completely different. So by capturing the actual condition of the device, the cosmetic grading, you're able to get a much better price in a lot of cases because a grade E that doesn't turn on but is in perfect condition, or a grade E that was run over by a truck, they don't appeal the same to buyers, right? So this manual grading option feature allows you now, although we don't have a Samsung or Android app yet, now allows you to do video gradings of devices that cannot turn on, are iCloud locked, are severe impaired, are not iPhones altogether. So let's get to it. Let's open the app, and in the app, wherever you go to the scanner at the top right, I'll show you with my mouse right there. You open up the scanner, you see this one is linked to my test account. Please don't send me emails here. I don't look at this email account. You really have to go through the proper channels. But here, this allows you to scan or start recording. But at the bottom, you see a button that says manual test, right? So if you click on the manual test, it's going to ask you, why are you doing a manual test? You should understand that a manual test, we do not um, guarantee that the IMEI is the same as the phone because we cannot. Whereas with a normal cosmetic grading, we do. We encrypt the IMEI. The QR codes that you scan to start the video grading are your encrypted IMEI. And that's why we can always link the right video to the right phone. And that's why we include the video. So if you take the phone out of the view, then the buyer knows that you might swap it, right? And if you share your screen with another device and try to trick us like that, look, we have been consulting phone test apps for a while. We know we know the tricks to pull to get around. We invite you, like, let us know if you can beat the app. That's something that we would be really interested in to improve. But with this cosmetic or manual grading option, we don't guarantee the IMEI because it's a user input. Um, so let's do one. I'll get out another phone right here. And that is actually a working phone. That doesn't matter, but I'll show you why. Let me get this ready. So I would say it's not an iPhone, right? Let's say this is a Samsung. And I would start. Now it will ask me to make a photo of the IMEI, right? So this could be the IMEI on your Samsung, for example, but it can also be the IMEI on your SIM tray or whatever. Now it starts the recording, and you would make the photos just the way you do normally. The only thing you will see is we don't do decolored screens to check for dead pixels because we can't, because we cannot control the other phone, right? Kind of makes sense. You are asked to make all the same pictures. It's a little bit dark in here. I'm doing this, I'm working overtime tonight. And then you see it actually recognized the IMEI. Let's see if it's correct. One, no, see, so there's a 7 missing. So that doesn't always work. 8, oh wait, no, shit, I'm looking at the wrong one. It's the top one. 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 8, 3, 3, 3, 8, 9, 7. So it's actually correct. Okay. And then you confirm the IMEI. If you cannot, like if the phone is totally trashed, you would fill in a DOA number that you get on phones.trade. Um, sometimes it doesn't recognize, the IMEI detected would be empty. Um, oh, I see we have a little bug here, but this would usually continue. And then let's see if we go on the portal. If now we have 13 Pro here, and then if we scroll down, we should see manual grading, iCloud locked. That is not the reason I gave, I believe. I thought I said not an iPhone. Anyway, I will sort this out. But here you see now the manual grading is linked to this IMEI, but it's highlighted that it's a manual grading, right? The Here's the cosmetic grading. The cosmetic grading is with the guaranteed IMEI, and the manual grading is here. So this is how you do manual gradings. Use it for iPads, Samsungs, DOA phones, iCloud phones, whatever. And I promise you, you will improve your profitability when you're flipping phones and you use Phones.trade, because now you can sell uh, great D phones that have only that pixel at a way higher price than great D phones that have a completely trash screen, right? It works for us, will work for you. Good luck. And if you want to help scaling your business and making it more profitable, contact us on phones.trade. See you on the flip side.